Today's historic and landmark meeting of the Thadou in Manipur and Meitei Alliance is the long aspiration and dream of the Thadou people of Manipur. We have been enduring enough for the last 22 months. We have been caught in middle, caught in between the KUKIs and the Meiteis. The violence have impacted the Thadous a lot, but we are not in the position to explain ourselves that we are not KUKI and we have been caught in the middle. The KUKIs have targeted us and the Meiteis side have also affected us. So we need a platform where we have to stand up ourselves and assert our distinct identity that Thadou is not KUKI. I am thankful to all the members of the Meitei Alliance amongst all the Meitei civil societies group, basically more of the outside Manipur Meiteis, a diaspora group for facilitating this dialogue and coming up with a very big understanding between the Meitei Alliance and the Thadou in Manipur. Today, Manipur has been facing a lot of communal crisis and instability in the region in the last few decades. And in all these conflicts, the so-called KUKI has been always there. And at one point of time, many of the Thadou individuals also feels themselves that they are a part of the KUKI, so-called KUKI group or KUKI ideology. Out of ignorance or lack of awareness, they have been a part of the conflict. So in the 1992 Manipur communal conflict between the Naga group and the so-called KUKI group, the non-Naga tribes like the Paite, the Mar, were not a part of the KUKI-Naga conflict. They were not impacted by the KUKI-Naga conflict in 1992. Basically, they are inhabiting in the southern district called Churachandpur district. And again, in 1997, during the KUKI-Zomi conflict, KUKI was there again. And who are these KUKIs who has been